Chartered Institute of Treasury Management don organize training wey go help build better treasury competence and accountability for both government and private sector. Muhammad Buba, chairman of the board of fellows for the institute, yarn this one for the professional training wey they hold for Abuja. The training carry the theme Treasury Management in the Era of Economic Uncertainty, Strategy for Developing Economies. Buba come talk say the training na to help treasury professionals, financial managers, and policymakers sabi better way to handle money matters with tools wey make sense, strategy wey sharp, and methods wey meet international standard. He come talk say e dey important make treasury people sabi how to adapt to different kind of wahala wey dey shele for the economy. Oga Buba also talk say the debt matter na big challenge, and this training go teach participants how to manage am well, from how to restructure, refinance, and handle debt in a way wey go help country go and no be to bring am back.
Program will equip treasury professionals, financial managers, and policymakers with pragmatic tools, strategic insights, and globally benchmark approaches to navigate the turbulent waters of fiscal governance in uncertain times. I would like to further stress that evolving regulatory frameworks demand that treasury professionals be equipped with adaptive strategies to navigate these complexities. Permit me to briefly highlight the four major pillars that will define our deliberations today and this after. Number one, debt management strategies for public and private entities in developing economies. Our first session addresses the critical challenge of debt in sustainability, a conversation that is central to microeconomic stability and foreign credibility. Participants will be exposed to modern frameworks for debt restructuring, refinancing, risk-based borrowing, and prudent liability management that ensure debts remain a tool for development rather than a burden of dependency.
Dr. Adeoyin Olumide, wey be the registrar of the institute, come talk say make all the people wey attend the training use wetin dem learn to take push national development forward. He come beg dem say make dem serious with the knowledge and carry am go apply for the place where dem dey work. He also talk say dem suppose enligh government people, make dem see road clear, and make members for different sectors help promote the institute work and growth.
Being a professional, you are a technocrat. The most you are supposed to do is to assist the government, your departments or agencies, wherever you find yourself, either the private or the public sector, to grow effectively and not to take advantage of your position. So these are the things we always keep talking to our members and trying to create enlightenment even within government circle. We do publications in the medias, advisories and other stuff like that to assist the government to actually see the pathway in which they should take, and making sure at the end of the day that those that work in government are those that are of high integrity, those that will actually put in their best at all times to assist the organizations to grow. Particularly so, this time around, we are talking about sustainability. The resources are no longer there. It is all about managing resources, screwing such resources effectively to make sure that government actions and inactions are being channeled as it is towards the right direction.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.